Hello and welcome to the Focus Roll Formula. My name is Erin Lewber. I am so glad you're here. This is the 90-second intro. So, choosing your focus role is one of the most, if not the most important decisions that you can make when you are making a teacher transition or career pivot. Why? Because if you don't know what you're going after, it's really, really darn hard to make a resume, to make a LinkedIn profile, to search and network and apply because you'll be all over the place. So choosing a focus role, finding the thing that you are going toward, picture in your mind's eye an arrow going at a bullseye, okay? You're the arrow and we're finding your bullseye. And so what you're going to find in this course is this is a quick and to the point course. This is not meant to be an activity. This is not lots of fluff. This is action oriented so that when you are done, you have a decision and you are ready to move on. I expect that you will complete this course in a matter of a couple days and you'll feel super confident when you're done. Now, you might be asking, why do I have the authority to tell you how to make a career pivot? Well, I'm a two-time career pivoter myself. I'm a former recruiting industry leader. I've led recruiting teams. I am a hiring manager at Amazon currently, where I've been a hiring manager for about the past 7 years. And I've helped more than 2,000 transitioning teachers and career pivoters in their career changes. So with that, let's get to work. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and move to the next module.